Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing good. So today I'm going to tell you that how you can set up your Windows 11 laptop. And as you can see, my computer is on uh, initial setup screen for Windows 11. So before I move on, please go ahead and subscribe my channel. And I'm sure you're gonna like my video as you like my other videos. And press the like button if you like my video, and press the bell icon for the upcoming notifications. Alright, so let's on this screen you need to select your country or region, whatever you're living in, and I'm in the United States. I'm gonna click yes. So it's asking for the keyboard layout. I use US layout, so I'm gonna click yes. I don't want to add any other, so keyboard layout, I'm gonna skip it. And after that, it's asking me to connect the Wi-Fi password. I would suggest you not to do that at this point. And I'm gonna click because if you will connect your computer with the Wi-Fi or Ethernet port at this point, then it's gonna ask you to log in with your Microsoft account, which I really don't want to at the moment. So I'm gonna click on I don't have internet, and quickly set up getting starting on your device. I'm gonna continue with the limited setup. Once I will be set up and I will be on home screen, then I will be good to enter the Wi-Fi password or connect with the internet. Then at that time it will be fine. So accept it. The user license, accept it. Enter your name. So I'm just gonna type admin. Next. I don't want to set a password for now. Next. And next. Accept. So setting up your Windows 11. This is don't turn off your PC. Just wait for a moment, and once it will be on the home screen, you will be all set and good to go. And it might will ask you for the you might have to connect your Wi-Fi password to get your Windows activated. So above 8th generation of computers, most of there are chances that you have the Windows key in your BIOS. And it will, once you are done with the initial setup, your Windows will be activated with the digital license. If it says like activated with the organizational license, that means your Windows copy is not original. So it should be activated with the digital license. So once it will be done, I'm going to connect the Wi-Fi and I'm going to show you Windows is original or not. It's just gonna take a few more minutes, or 5 more minutes, which I don't want it to take that long. Almost there means we are done. So as you can see, it's on Windows 11 homepage. And now I am going to connect the password. I'm going to enter the password. Alright, so as you can see, Wi-Fi is connected. It just shows the basic icons, and I'm gonna go to settings, and there will be an activation thing which should be here, or I can search for it over here. Activation settings, activation state, Windows is activated with the digital license. That means this machine has its own Windows license in the BIOS, so it picked up from there. So it's Windows 11 Pro. So that's it for the initial setup of Windows 7. How you can set up your Windows 11, and that's it for the Windows 11 setup. So I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, go ahead and subscribe my channel, and press the like button, and press the bell icon. That's it for the day. Have a good one. Bye bye.